Alright, what is up everybody? How's it going and welcome back. So, because TikTok and their infinite wisdom, the last video got striked because of the adult beverages that were sitting on the floor. The video is not even about the beverages, so what I'm just going to do is I removed them from the video. They're not here. So, I have the grill mostly cleaned up from the last video. I did rearrange the parts a little bit different on the bench. So here is the centerpiece and then the emblem. I removed the emblem from the centerpiece. I removed the V8 emblem, the metal bracket that goes on the bottom down here. This bracket also has the mount for the hood release. This is for a 4th gen 4Runner, 2007 V8, 4.7 liter V8 model with the salsa red paint. So this bracket has a bunch of broken pieces on it, and I'm not really sure how they got broken because these tabs right here are metal and they're all broken. So I'm going to try my best to fix that. Probably going to be using some JB Weld, and then I'm going to try to fix the grill the best I can. But the idea I have on the paint, I mean, it's still a little dirty. But on the back of this piece, right here, these pieces actually sit like this. So these broke off too. And this is the only one that was actually, this clip right here was the only one that's not broken. You see this little tab? The rest of these tabs are kind of broken. So this is the only one that clips in. It actually clips in there. And then a screw comes in the back. There's that hole right there. Little small JIS screw comes back through the back. And then this is mounted to this piece, the back of the centerpiece. And then that's what holds this chromed piece on. So I'm going to try to get these glued back up. I actually put little paint lines where they actually go, like that. So they sit just like that. That's how they sit. And then they mount through here. I do need to clean it up a little more. But my idea is that I'm thinking of only painting the outer edge black. And then this little chrome strip edge at the bottom black. And then the center, all of the black in the center, I'm going to paint this bronze. And I'm going to prime the whole thing first. And then this is going to be bronze. And then my idea for this centerpiece right here, where the emblem goes, my idea for this piece is to actually paint this. I'm thinking I might paint this green. And then the emblem, I'm going to paint red. And the green I have is Satin Hunt Club green. So I'm thinking of doing this kind of satin green. This chrome piece black around the edges of the grill. This centerpiece bronze. And then the, not sure if I'm going to use the gloss cranberry for the emblem, or the satin claret wine for the emblems. But both emblems are going to be... Woo, grill slid down on me. There we go. Alright, so both emblems are going to be a red. And what I'm thinking on doing also is I think I have some bright red, like fire red, in the stock barn with all my other chemicals and paints and everything. I leave that stuff out in the chemical barn. So I'm thinking of actually, once it's all painted, the outside's going to be black, center's going to be bronze, the blacks, all the fins and the black section right here is going to be bronze. This piece is actually going to be green, a satin green, a dark satin green. The emblem's going to be a dark red, and then I'm going to take the bright red paint and I'm going to splatter it like blood splatter all over the front of the grill, kind of at a 45-degree angle going this way. I think it might look cool. Or do my best to repair the grill. If I can't repair it, you know, it's already broken. I mean, you know, you do the best you can and repair it. If it works, it works. Technically, the grill was only actually hanging on by the bolts up here that were hanging it from the hood. This bracket, most of the stuff was broken on it, and this is a metal bracket. But the acorn nuts were installed. So it was somewhat holding, but the bottom of the grill was actually flopping away from this. So it wasn't really holding much on the bottom. You know, if I can fix it and, you know, paint it custom color, awesome. If it doesn't work, you know, it doesn't work. You know, this chroming is actually kind of like a folded paper chrome strip. So, you know, it may fall apart. You know, it may crumple and fall off, who knows. But, chrome doesn't get you home, and that's why I'm changing it. I don't like the chrome and the black, the way it looks on the truck. The truck is a dark salsa red with a metallic red and silver and gold flake in it. And I don't like the look of the chrome. So I'm going to black out the edges. I'm pretty positive, about 100% positive the edges I'm going to black out. And I think it would look good with the bronze, because I'm going to be getting bronze wheels for this 4th Gen 4Runner. So I think it'll look pretty good. You guys let me know what you guys think. But, you know, cranberry, gloss, satin claret wine, satin hunt club green, and then I got the bronze. And the bronze is actually a pretty dark bronze, so I think it will look pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hopefully this video doesn't get taken down by TikTok for whatever reason. The rules are you can't promote adult beverages. I wasn't promoting them. I'd have to speak about them to promote them. Not really sure why it had such an issue. But hopefully this video doesn't get taken down. You guys let me know what you guys think. I do know that both emblems are going to be the same color. Kind of want some contrasting colors. I think it will look pretty good on the salsa red with the Hunt Club satin green. I think that will look pretty good as a center color. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!